On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw this creepy, grasping hand. All you're going to need is a pencil, a pen, and an eraser. Let's not talk about it. Let's do it. Okay, we're going to try and get this sort of hooked fingers kind of thing going on. So get a pencil, and we're going to start here with an ellipse like that, and that's going to be the sleeve, and we want the hand sort of coming out there, and then we're going to have the wrist. So we want, this is going to be like the palm of the hand here. So we're going to want this to sort of curve out and out like an S shape, and then back again, and then that's going to be the thumb, which will come sort of into there, but then we want that to curve up, and then that's going to go into one finger sticking out like that, and then we want to kind of do these fingers with a kind of a U shape at the bottom so that we can kind of get them in the right position like that. That's probably going to want to be a bit more like that down there. Now here we're going to bend into, we got up to a knuckle, across, and then down. So we're going to go up to a knuckle, and then we're going to curve around and curve around. Then we're going to go across and down, curve around, curve around. We're going to go across, across, curve around, curve around. This will be much smaller, across, down, curve around, and there we go. We can maybe make this whole thing a little bit more smaller like that, and bring the wrist up there. You have to play around with it a bit. So I'm going to just draw that around there, and then we can bring the wrist out from there, and then we can bring the sleeve kind of around like that, and then we can do the thumb to there, and then that's going to come around and up to the first knuckle, kind of quite smoothly around, and then curve down, and then here we're going to put a little kind of line across there. I'm going to go across to that knuckle, and then around, curve and down, and we want more of a kind of a line across there, and across and around, curve it back and down, and then up and around, and then a little one, because it's just a little pinky in the end, isn't it? And I think we bring the wrist about there. And then we got these lines, haven't we? So we can have sort of one across there, one down there, one like that. Then when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase those pencil lines, because you didn't press too hard on the pencil, did you? And if you did, don't do it next time. Now we're going to do the nails, fingernails here. So we want to do a curve like that, straight up, and a curve back. Curve up, straight back. Curve up, straight back. My phone needed charging. Curve back and straight up like that, and here we're just going to do a little curve like that, and then here we can put a bit of shading into there. Maybe put a bit of shading in around like that, and we could maybe kind of put a bit of kind of texture, sort of tweedy kind of texture, a little kind of like hashtags. You'd have an extra little bit of shadow in there, and we could maybe add a bit of shading all the way down the side there, like that. You can add a bit of tweedy colour to the sleeve, and a bit of Simpsons flesh colour to the hand, and there you go, how to draw a creepy, grasping hand. Thanks for watching, and look, click down there and make sure that you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back here every week for lots more drawing. Make sure you ring the notification bell. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.